When something happens that we don't like, I always think first, what can I agree with them on? Because if I find the point of agreement, we can start communicating. What is agreement? Agreement is your reality, is same as my reality. If you tell me this wall is red, and I tell you, Marshall, it's white, we don't have agreement. Communication is not going to go very well from there. To the question, does the tree make noise in the forest if it falls and nobody's listening? The answer is, it doesn't matter if it makes noise or not. It matters if we agree on whether it makes noise or not. And once you find points of agreement with people, you will be able to communicate. Once you communicate and you have the agreement on the reality, you have affinity. I like you, you like me. We can tolerate each other's distance. Have you ever had disagreement with somebody? They immediately want to get away. They cannot tolerate the being close to you. So, back to this. I try to see when I have a disagreement. The neighbor does not want me to add a backyard in San Francisco. Well, let me go talk to the neighbor. And I say, well, you know, when we add the backyard, it's going to add the square footage, it's going to increase value. You know what it's going to do to your property? It's going to be great. What bothers you? Well, I'm Jewish and I don't want you to work on Sabbath. Oh, I'm sure we can do that. No problem at all. Oh, really? It doesn't bother you? I thought you're going to be upset. Well, why would I be upset? If it's a religious day for you, you don't want noise, we can work it out. Well, I saw your guy putting a camera there. They're looking at my wife changing. What is your wife? Uglier than you ever think. They want to look at your wife? This wife? Yes. No, sir, nobody want to look at you. He's afraid for his equipment. Oh, I didn't realize that. Can you point the camera down? We can remove the camera. Don't worry. We'll just take all the stuff out. See, I'm trying to agree and adjust, agree and adjust. And then the guy says, cool, I'll go ahead and approve it.